How to change language in Google Home. Want Google Home to speak your language? Let's change it in just a few steps. Open Google Home app. In the bottom right corner, tap Settings. Tap Google Assistant. Then tap Manage all assistant settings. Here you will see Language. Tap it. You will see the current language your Google Assistant is using. Tap Add Language and choose your language like Spanish, Hindi, Nepali, French. Once you select it, your Google Home will immediately switch to the language. And try saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" in your language. And now you will hear the response in your chosen language. You can set to active language, so if you speak English and another language at home, Google will understand both without confusion. Super handy. And that's it. You have just tied your Google Home to talk in your love language. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, drop a comment, and if subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.